Hello everyone, my name is Brahmaji Tamana. I hope you are already enjoying with Lightning components. In this video, we are going to discuss about a brand new powerful feature of Lightning framework called Lightning Data Service. Using Lightning Data Service, you can load an existing record, you can create a new record, you can update an existing record, you can delete a record without writing a single piece of Apex logic. Yes, you can say big no to Apex controller. That means you do not have to define controller in your Aura component. So there is no Apex class. You do not have to create any Apex class. You do not have to cover that Apex class to get the coverage. That means you do not have to write test class and do not have to maintain it. That looks pretty awesome. Let's see what are the features of Lightning Data Service. So using Lightning Data Service, you can load a record without writing any query or any SOQL because there is no Apex class. You can create a record, this brand new record you can create for any of your S object. You can save a record, that means you can update a record, and you can delete a record which is available. So apart from these features, we also have an awesome feature of Lightning Data Service, that is it handles sharing rules and field level security for us. You do not have to worry about whether that user is seeing the access which it does not have. You do not have to worry about all those rules. You do not have to worry about anything related to sharing because framework does everything for us with this Lightning Data Service. Now we know what is Lightning Data Service in brief, but how to use it in your Lightning components. To use Lightning Data Service in your Lightning component, you need to use the component called force record data. Using force record data, you can achieve all these functionalities without writing an Apex logic. You can ask me what is Lightning Data Service and what is force record data. Just in simple terms, Lightning Data Service is a concept of achieving all these functionalities using force record data. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.